So how to install Xbox Game Pass app? So just tap get and you'll be able to install it. This quite convenient app. You can get access to play over 100 games for one low month's price. And you can just you can use this app to browse and download games to your Xbox One so they are ready to play when you are. Set your console to instant on to allow game downloads when you are away. Find this in the power and startup menu in settings. Receive notifications about new games coming to your Xbox Game Pass and start playing the moment your game is available when you pre-download it to your Xbox One. That's basically the idea. It's like super convenient instead of logging out your console and all of that. Just managing the games on your fingertips on your mobile phone. It's pretty convenient, and then you can just go here. You can allow notifications. If you're already a member, you can sign in. Otherwise, so you can from here you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can sign up again with your Microsoft account to this Game Pass app. And then this is just like a quick preview what you can expect. You can see some coming soon. You can see some recently added. You can see some three dots add to play right later, and then you can just tap install to. There is like a monthly subscription. There is like introductory price of $1 per month, but then it renews at $17 per month. Then it renews at $11 per month. And then you can just search for it. Then you can sign up, and then you can, if you want, you can manage your account here from the top right.